promise ang curry. We will try it. David will try it. This is his food. Yummy.
Too hot.
This is called curry baby. Baby curry. Baby curry. Let's eat, David. We love you, beautiful friends. Happy birthday. Take care. Ay, patikman ni David kasi mainit pa yata. It's still hot. So, let's just try it. Let's try if he will try it. David, I'll try. David. You wanna try now? David! Try it.
Wait.
He doesn't like to try. Later.
Angry used to be on that side. And
Wanna try?
Angry used to be on that side.
Ayaw. Mamaya na lang. Let's look at David. I will show you David Abraham. My Korean. He looks like a preacher. Are you a chaplain? Wait lang. Why your clothes is like that? We're showing your outfit. Wait lang. David, are you a pastor? Look at you. Okay. His name is David and his nickname is Noah. So he's David Noah Abraham. You have to be, behave in life, ha? Because your name is so holy. His name is so holy. Are you going to be a pastor? I'm just kidding. Beautiful friends. Look at him. Look how cute is it. Looks like a Betty Boop bangs. Betty Boop. I'm just joking. Okay, we love you.